Hey guys, how's it going? Saya lagi di dapur saya dan ada resepnya yang gampang banget lagi. Jadi hari ini mau bikin Sate Padang. Yang pertama, saya mau bikin bumbu halus. Saya mau pakai blender. Cabe keriting 10, lengkuas 1 ruas, sama jahe kunyit 1 ruas juga. Bawang merah 6, ini paling penting. Ada ketumbar, jintan dan bubuk merica. Jangan lupa sedikit air putih, sedikit aja. Saya mau blend. Oke guys, bumbu halus sudah jadi. Pakai panci, sedikit minyak, jangan pakai banyak guys. Menurut saya lebih enak kalau kamu masak sapi sebelum tambahin bumbunya. Kita mau rasa sapi ya, rasa daging sapi. Sekarang kecilkan api, tidak mau ini menjadi gosong. Oke guys, masak bumbunya dengan daging sapi selama 5 menit aja. Sekarang saya mau masukin 500 ml air putih. Oke, kemudian masukin daun jeruk 6. Oke guys, sekarang saya mau masukin lengkuas dan daun serai, tapi geprek dulu. Geprek, lengkuas. Sisanya saya mau masak semua selama 30 menit. Alright guys, sekarang saya mau masukin garam. Jangan lupa step ini, paling penting. Oke, 2 pinch garam sama gula, sedikit aja, 2 pinch. Sambil kita nunggu untuk sosnya. Ya, saya mau garam dan lada hitam. Garam lagi, lada putih. Boleh diganti ini dengan lada hitam, bubuk lada hitam. Pasti saya sudah tahu, biasanya untuk sate pakai barbecue. Tapi saya tidak ada barbecue, jadi saya ada ini penggorengan. Oke, maaf ya guys. Boleh diganti ini dengan barbecue, gak apa-apa. Paling penting pakai api besar. Ya, minyak. Untuk bang sate Padang ini sedikit beda. Mau pakai mentega dengan sapi. Tapi sekarang pakai api kecil. Sekarang saya mau bikin sosnya. Angkat sapi, daun serai, lengkuas, daun jeruk. There's still loads of taste inside those chunks of beef, so I'm just pushing down, get rid of all that taste. Yang terakhir, saya mau sosnya lebih kental, jadi 2 sendok makan tepung beras. Pakai saringan. Tepung sagu. Hey guys, sos sate Padang. Saya mau coba. Enak banget, tapi saya mau tambahin sedikit garam lagi. ini sudah selesai dan saya mau coba in. Right guys, thanks ever so much for watching that video. One thing though, please don't try the crazy flame thing at home if you've never practiced it in a proper kitchen before. You need like a big space so you don't like kind of burn your house down. We don't want that, we don't want that at all. I have never cooked this before this week and I really wanted to learn it. I've eaten this dish so many times in Indonesia. It's what everybody knows about this country as well. Whenever you look up Indonesian food, satay comes up, alright? But it tastes so different here. They don't use loads of peanuts in the recipe. I can't wait to try. Here we go. Okay guys, let's have a look at that before. Got that beautiful bawang goreng, got the lovely sauce, beautiful colour as well, that beef. Oh man, this looks delicious. I'll chop it. Oh man. Oh, so good. You might think it's a bit different to see me use butter when I was cooking the beef. Do it. Seriously, butter, beef, brilliant match. Let me try again. Bawang goreng. This is why I love Indonesian food. This is why I love it. Really simple guys, not too difficult. Follow the recipe and you have a really lovely sort of meal to be cooking all your family. Right guys, thanks ever so much for watching my video. If you would like to comment below any advice about cooking, also requests, anything you'd like me to cook, or maybe you might want me to try a crazy type of food in a crazy type of restaurant, please comment below as well. I'll see you next time guys, bye bye. Okay guys, menurut saya lebih enak kalau gorengan biasanya saya mau masak semua untuk biasanya saya mau masak. Biasanya saya mau masak semua selama 30 detik. 30 menit. Okay guys, biasanya saya mau masak semua selama 30 detik. No, detik, it's not detik, it's minutes. Saya mau masak semua selama 30 menit. Keep saying okay guys. How many times do you think I say okay guys in the duration of making this video?